So, Bob Blizzard, on the cost, let's talk about flooding in Lowestoft. Is there enough money to cover the cost of damage?
No, I mean, David Cameron is always going on about his economic plan. Unfortunately, part of that plan has been to cut the budget for flood defence in our region every single year since he's been in office. And I mean, that looks irresponsible now. Some councils are still wasting money. I mean, in my area, Suffolk County and Waveney District are spending 14 million on new council offices and 5 million on a footbridge that the public simply don't want. But my main concern is the impact of these vast cuts on council social services departments, in particularly care of the elderly, because we can see already that older people are having to go more and more to accident and emergency at the general hospital because they're not getting the care in the community. And when they're in the hospital, they're having to stay longer in the expensive hospital bed, what we call bed blocking, because there's nobody to look after them in the community. Now, that's having an impact not only on older people, but on the whole of the National Health Service. And that's part of David Cameron's economic plan failure as well. Well, I mean, local government seems to be doing less and less, retreating into a core. And I can understand you always try and get best value, and in some cases, outsourcing has saved money. There's a bit of a problem there, though, with responsibility. Sometimes you ring up now because you've got a complaint, and the council say it's nothing to do with us. It's the people who are contracted, and so it's harder to sort of get at it and get it fixed. But my concern is, how can councils really lead and shape their community and take it forward if all they are is sort of minimalist providers of services?
That is a classic statist approach. You know, why do councils have to lead their communities? Communities lead their communities.
Thank you very much. Thank you.